Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, as you can see, I'm having my breakfast. And for my breakfast, I have a Filipino chicken congee or arroz caldo. Today it's a rainy day, good for the weather, cold. And then I have a croissant and a coffee. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this short vlog. Thank you for watching on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell. Until next time, bye now.
Kasama ng 4 na pelikulang ito ang first 4 movies na napili ng MMFF